Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Slack software. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to type Slack space download and press enter. You'll get the first link, Windows downloads. Okay, so Slack for Windows, you can click on the download.exe 64-bit. This will start the download of the setup file. So Slack is a cloud-based team collaboration and communication platform. It provides messaging, file sharing, and integration with various third-party tools to enhance productivity. So once the setup download is completed, you need to click on open. I'll minimize the web browser as we don't need it. So this is the interface for the Slack software. Let's maximize it. And this is the option to sign to Slack. You can sign in with the Google account with your Apple ID, or you can also register with your email account. So once it is done, you will be logged in and you can use the Slack software. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.